Many students fail this SAT question because we are not able to interpret the maths of these words. So welcome to class. Now let us attempt this question. The question reads 48 is 150% of what number? Okay, the first thing you need to do is to interpret this sentence. Okay, all right, so how do we interpret that? Now follow me as we do that. So what you need to do here is, let's just interpret this question mathematically. Now 48, let's start from here. 48 now is simply means equal to, then 150%, and okay, let me just say 150 in fraction is just 150 over 100. Okay, of simply implies multiplication, then the number which we don't know, so we represent that as x. Okay, so and we know that 150 divided by 100, all we just need to do is cancel out these two zeros, take your decimal from the right hand side, move 2 times to the left. Okay, so we end up having 48 equals 1.5 then times x. So first thing we need to look out for is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what, 1.5. so here we have 1.5x equals 48. So dividing both sides by 1.5, so this clears off this, then our x gives us 48 divided by 1.5, that should give us 32. So the value is 32. So 48 is 150% of 32. All right, if you love what I've just done, please like and share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.